Governor Tony Evers has declared a public health emergency. The designation should not be interpreted as a drastic increase in cases or the death rate, but rather a way to free up state resources to deal with the spread. News 19's Lindsay Ford tells you what the current guidelines mean for our daily lives.
Because of the spread of COVID-19, Wisconsin's Department of Health Services is recommending that all non-essential gatherings of 250 people or more be canceled or postponed.
This is changing daily, rapidly, hourly, and our goal right now is to mitigate spread.
If events contain less than 250 people, Wisconsin DHS officials have listed guidance on their website for how to think through a decision on whether to not to cancel.
But our goal right now is for everyone to pitch in and help us prevent spread.
It's around social distancing. It's around making sure that we're doing good hygiene things. And that has impacted me directly. And it ain't easy. For someone who was in a school today and wasn't able to hug one kid or give a fist bump to one kid, that's a problem for me. It's working. I'm working at it.
DHS recommends people to not travel to areas in the United States with sustained community transmission. But if you choose to do so, it's recommended to isolate yourself in your home for 14 days after the visit.
Certainly, we're hoping that employers will be very lenient around the issue of sick leave and what that all means and working from home. Obviously, that can't happen in all cases, but we are working directly with that, and hopefully we'll have, and of course, it's hopeful that the federal government will have some help in this arena also.
There are currently 37 Wisconsin residents on board the Grand Princess cruise ship, and the Wisconsin National Guard will help transport them back home. Governor Evers says those Wisconsinites will be quarantined and tested.
The Wisconsin National Guard stands ready to assist the state in whatever way we can with additional missions if requested, and we are fully committed to supporting the state and DHS as we all work together to protect public health and safety.
For now, the governor says life in Wisconsin is going to look a little different.
I know Wisconsinites. We love to hug. We like to kiss. We love to be friendly. That's why they call it. That's why they call us what they call us about nice Wisconsin nice. Wisconsin nice is going to have a different look to it in the future.
Lindsay Ford, WXOW News 19.
And let's hope that's only temporary. Governor Evers suggests putting together a 2-week supply of food and any prescription medicines you have or other necessary items. He urges people not, however, to hoard food or other items. You'll notice hand sanitizer and toilet paper are in short supply.